Oh no! Our feedback volumes have dropped. What can I do?
Fear not! Happy Hero is here to save the day. There's plenty of things that can be done to boost the volume of feedback. Make sure your smileys are optimally placed so people find them easily and can use them with some privacy. Placement also depends on what elements of your service you want feedback on. Really observe the routes and the flow of people. It's also good to check that no one has moved the smileys to an unfit position or an awkward angle accidentally. Remember to keep the smileys clean and presentable at all times. The survey question itself is very important. Make sure it's clear, effective and useful and not too specific unless it really fits the purpose. The more general the survey is, the more people will have an opinion on the topic. Use QR codes to get even more feedback. In addition to showing the code on the Smileys device, you could also use it as a sticker on any surface. Add it to emails, SMSs or receipts. Involve your employees. They can remind and encourage customers to give feedback.
Wow! Thanks so much, Happy Hero. That was super helpful.
You're welcome. You got this. Mission completed.